Hey guys, so I thought to change the location a bit, and here I am today. I just want to share today that not every day, not every single day is going to be there when you are completely motivated and inspired to do more, to achieve more, and to put an effort every single day, and that's okay. I'm there to say that it's okay. Don't be too hard on yourself, and do not judge yourself because of those few bad days. Those few days when you just don't feel like even getting up from the bed. You don't feel like putting on effort. You just binge watch whole day. But there are times when those days are going to come your way. You're going to feel demotivated. You have those dreams, you have those desires, and you have those skill sets as well. But still, those days are going to come your way, and you have to be patient with that. What I feel is, we should never judge ourselves because of those few certain phases in our life. You know what? When we judge our own self because of those few days and that phase, and we put a label on our own self that I'm not good enough, I'm very lazy, I cannot do that, and all those things, again a vicious cycle is created. And again that thought of not being good enough, that thought of being lazy, that thought of I'm not confident enough, that makes us more and more to go to that dark phase. And that is the thing which I'm here to share with you, that we all go through that. I go through that, my friends go through that, and everybody go through that. But one thing I'm here to tell you, that phase is not you. Not every day is going to be same. Sometimes you're going to feel charged up without no reason. But sometimes, in spite of all your goals, all your tasks and to-do list, you're going to feel like that I don't want to do it. And you are going to feel terribly guilty about that, with lots of regrets. And you think, okay, I want to do it, but still, I don't know, something from within is not allowing me to do. But that's okay. That's okay. Just forgive yourself. Do not level yourself. You are not those days. These are the phases. And there's a lot of reason behind these things. There are many external forces which are governing us, our mind, our energies. They are being governed by that. So just let it pass, just be conscious. What is our duty in that phase? Yes, we have to put an effort, but still if nothing is happening, what we can do? We can just be patient, we can just be conscious, we can be aware, right? We can observe things. So the whole idea of this video is that just realize that we all go through that phase, and it's okay. It's not a big deal. Don't go into guilt trap. We all go through that phase. We all feel vulnerable and so many different mixed emotions, and we don't feel like doing anything, and we feel worthless. And from there, that vicious cycle of emotions and guilt and regrets kicks in. And when we believe that, then it becomes a lifelong phase or extended period of phase. We don't have to go in that. I am saying the thing is that when you are going through that phase, just be there, just be conscious and know it's not you, it's going to pass. And do not level yourself that I'm not good enough. Just be conscious, watch it. And once again, it's okay to be in that phase. You are going to bounce back very soon. Don't lose hope. Do not level yourself. Do not criticize yourself. Do not be too hard. Just know that it's going to go away. And what is the solution for that? Solution is be patient enough and do not level yourself because of those few moments. And one more thing, that when you are going through that phase, just know that you are not alone. We all are in the same boat. Some days are very energetic, some days are very high, some days are very joyful, some days are very low. At times we do not feel like doing anything, and it's fine. There's no point leveling and just going into a vicious cycle and in that continuous loop. No, we all go through that. That's not going to define you. What do you think? That's not going to define you, my dear. That's not going to define you. You are much more beyond that. And just know that you are going to bounce back with a bang, and nobody can stop you. So it's okay, even if you're going through that phase, have that faith, have that conviction, and keep moving in that direction. Give yourself some time, give yourself that love, that care, that compassion, that forgiveness, which we are giving to the other person. You deserve it. You deserve all the love, because divinity resides within you, and you have all the power, you have all the potential within you. So let go of those phases. Do not level yourself. You are beyond any levels. You can do anything and everything if you set your mind to that. So don't beat yourself up because of those few days. You are very, very powerful. You have so much of potential, and I believe in you. So that was the message which I wanted to share with each one of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Lots of love and blessings. And if you like this video, just share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.